Multiplication. Multiplication of a 3-digit number by multiples of 10. Multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple, then multiplying by 10. So 271 times 60 is the same as 271 times 6 times 10. We can use our columns. 271 times 6. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. We write the 2, carry the 4 forwards. Then 6 times 2 equals 12, plus the 4 carried forward equals 16. So we have a total of 1,626. Then multiply this by 10. To multiply by 10 when it's a whole number, we just add an extra 0. So our answer is 16,260. You can use the same method when multiplying by 50. 812 times 50. It's the same as 812 times 5 times 10. So 812 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10. We add the 0 and carry 1 forward. 5 times 1 is 5, plus the 1 carried forward, 6. Then 8 times 5 is 40. So we have a total of 4,060. Now we just multiply that by 10. Again, it's a whole number, so we add a 0 on the end. We end up with 40,600. We could use the fact that 50 times 2 equals 100. So 812 times 50, if we divide 812 by 2, we can multiply by 100. 812 divided by 2 is 406, and that multiplied by 100, when we're multiplying a whole number by 100, we add 2 extra zeros. So it's 40,600. Or we could use columns for the whole calculation. 738 multiplied by 80. In our columns, multiplying by 0 is 0, so we move straight to the tens column. And we're really multiplying by 80, so we add a 0 in the ones column and then multiply by 8. 8 times 8 equals 64. We write our 4 and carry 6 forwards. Then 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 6 carried forwards equals 30. We write 0 and carry forward 3. Then 8 times 7 is 56, plus the 3 carried forward is 59. So our total is 59,040. Remember, multiplying by any multiple of 10 is the same as multiplying by that multiple and then multiplying by 10. So any number times 40 will be the same as any number times 4 times 10. Or any number times y with the 0 is any number times y times 10. You can use columns for all or part of your calculation. And to multiply a whole number by 10, we add a 0 at the end. When multiplying by 50, we can also use the fact that 50 times 2 equals 100.